What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the molemo wasp trap. This thing is supposed to attract the wasp and it's supposed to trap the wasp. This catches wasps, it catches bees, it catches whatever else little bugs that get on your nerves. They go in the trap and they can't get out the trap. Let's go ahead and open the box. I did get this from xpest.com, sent this product in, and I will have a discount link for y'all in the description. Alright, you guys, so you do get 2 of these in the pack. I want to send a shout out to xpest.com. They sent this product out for review and they are offering a discount. Alright, I will put the discount link in the description below. This will be 20% off. Alright, 20% off. It will be 20 occupied. Alright, 20 occupied. Let's go ahead and get into this. This is supposed to be a solar wasp trap. It has a LED light to it. You can turn the jug, right? They got on and off switch. Somebody like me, I would have just bought it just to test it out. Anyways, so alright, this is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and unscrew this one and turn it on. If you have been a supporter, a follower of mine, subscriber for some time now, you know that I always get like bug zappers and you know, specticide for bugs, transiticide, all types of stuff. So you know I'm into bug control. So basically it says, for an effective lure, fill your trap with 2 shot glasses of water, add 1 shot glass of fruit juice, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 shot glass of vinegar in the water. Then hug the wasp trap, or stand it up. I think they mean hang. Alright, then hang the wasp trap or stand it up. Once the wasps catch the scent and crawl inside the wasp trap, it's designed to prevent them from escaping again. You may also add to the mixture 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 shot of glass of vinegar, 1 shot glass of fruit juice, 1 shot glass of wheat beer. Whatever wheat beer is, I don't know. The molemo wasp trap is also an effective defense against yellow jackets, bees, and hornets. I'm pretty sure the yellow jackets will come out soon because I haven't seen none yet. They're usually out here around like July, August, and September. So we are going to get down to the bottom of that. Hopefully this thing works. So at nighttime this will attract insects because of the blue light. You know, like the light we use when we doing our bug zapper tests and all that. So that's pretty cool. Blah blah blah, using standing or hanging. Alright, so basically you can hang this or you could just stand it up like this. However your area on your deck or your patio let you do. Contact us, we enjoy receiving letters. This is just disclaimer stuff, blah blah blah. When I used to have my hummingbird feeder out here, the wasps actually like the hummingbird food. So that is something else that I probably can use as far as trying to capture the wasp. Alright, you guys, so let me go ahead, make up a mixture of some of this good stuff, and then let's leave it out and see if we catch some bees for today and tomorrow or the weekend. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into our experiment. So they said 2 shot glasses of water, right? So we got 1, 2 shot glass of fruit juice. Alright, you guys, so I couldn't find my tablespoon measurement, so this spoon was on the table and this is now a tablespoon. So I think it said 4 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, you guys, and for the last ingredient, a shot of vinegar. Woo, and that really stinks. Alright, you guys, and on this side we will use hummingbird food. It had a little marker in there too. Not really a marker, but you can see like there was like a little, you know how those lines be there, those fill 2 lines, but it don't say fill 2 on it, but you could kind of see where the color difference is from right here to up here, but you can only see that from the inside. All right, so right now we have the company's recipe. It's gonna be hung up on our left, and we have our hummingbird food that will be on our right. All right, you guys, so I haven't caught any bees yet, but one thing this thing catch is flies. So I have caught a lot of flies for the past couple of weeks. Now for the bees, I am gonna look for like maybe a certain type of food that they are really attracted to, and then, you know, give y'all daily updates on that. But as far as flies go, gnats, yeah, I catch plenty and many of those. So when I catch them, I just dump it out and refill. So yeah, nice product. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure that y'all catch that discount. I will link it in the description, and I will also link it in the video, so y'all will make sure to enter that code in when y'all purchasing. Thank y'all.